How to fix camera not working on MacBook. So if your MacBook's camera is not working, then here is a step-by-step guide to diagnose and fix this issue. So first of all you have to do is start with basic. Restart your MacBook. A simple reboot can fix temporary glitches. So simply tap on the Apple icon available at the top left corner of your screen, then tap on the restart button available there and restart your device. Once restarted, check if camera is in use by another app. Only one app can use the camera at a time. Now, once done so, all you have to do is now check app permissions. Make sure the app has permissions to use the camera. Now, in order to do so, all you have to do is tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen and from the drop down tap on the system settings. Now, once inside the system settings or system preferences on older macOS, all you have to do is at the left hand side panel, navigate to the privacy and security, and all you have to do is tap on it. Inside privacy and security, scroll down and tap on the camera option available there. Now inside camera, make sure the app like Zoom, FaceTime or any other app that you are facing issues is allowed to use the camera. Now again, once done so, at the left hand side panel, scroll and tap on the general option available in there. Then once you tap on the general, you can simply see software update option available. Tap on it, and if there is any update available, then all you have to do is install any available updates. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.